Can you imagine earning $600 in one day? Well, this is a dream number for most people. Imagine what you can do when you earn $600 in a day. You can eat in any restaurants you like, buy whatever things you like, travel to wherever, and you can even help other people. No more working 9 to 5 jobs. No more paying debts and other loans. We will show you a very simple way to do that. Want to learn more? Then you should watch this video. What we will show you today is super simple. People tend to complicate things when making money, but for us, we will give you a very straightforward and easy way on how to do it. This method that we will show you is 100% free, no need for small payments or any initial investments, and you can do this right away. This is available worldwide, so even if you are in any part of the world, you can do this. All you need is your mobile phone or computer to get started. And most of all, this method does not require any specific skill or prior experience. Even a beginner can do this right away and earn lots of money. Watch till the end of the video to learn the step-by-step process of how to do this and earn money online. So what are you waiting for? Let's start earning. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. The website that we will be using today is called Sellics.com. Sellics is a website where they provide a bunch of software to help people grow their Amazon businesses. Softwares for advertising, search engine optimization, product reviews, and so much more. If you want to learn more about Sellics, you can just hover over the Solutions tab right here and read some of the software that they offer. If we scroll down to the bottom in the About Us section, we can see an option Affiliates. Now what we're going to do here today is become an affiliate of Sellics.com. So what does it mean to be an affiliate? Our job here is to advertise this website to other people. As an affiliate, we advertise different features and services that Sellics has to offer. We tell them the benefits of having these services and features and how it can grow their businesses. And once they become interested and buy these services, we get a commission. We advertise or share these services by using our very own affiliate URL link that Sellics will provide us. These are the services that Sellics has to offer, and these services are what we as an affiliate will be advertising to people. You must be wondering how much money does an affiliate make? Well, it depends on the company, and in Sellics, you get 100% commission on your very first month as an affiliate. And for the following months, you get 15% commission on the price of the services that the person buys. And if you have successfully referred more than 10 people, Sellics will promote you to a Tier 2 partner and your commission percentage will go up to 25%. So from the 11th referral onwards, you can earn 25% of the price of the product. You do not have to do anything. All you have to do is share your very own affiliate link and wait for people to visit that link and buy the product. So if on your first month as an affiliate, you were able to successfully refer a person to buy, let's say for example, this service that costs $259, you can earn the same price, an easy $259 in your bank account. However, if you have been an affiliate of this website for more than a month now, you will get 15% of $259, which is $38.85. That is still a lot of money. And if you are a Tier 2 partner of Sellics, you get 25%. So when the person you referred buys the $259 plan, you get $64.75. The first month as an affiliate in Sellics is the most crucial time because you get the full price of the product as payment for your referral. So you have to make the most out of it. You don't need to worry. We will show you a super simple and easy trick that you can do to easily refer people in less than a minute. All you have to do is watch this video till the end to find out. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. Before we can show you how you can do this super simple trick, we first need to become an affiliate. To do that, just scroll down at the bottom of the main page and at the About Us section, just click on the Affiliates option. It will then redirect you to this page. Partner up with Sellics and get paid for giving your audience the tools and insights they need to succeed in Amazon. Now to become an affiliate, first you have to register on their page. Then they will review your application. After that, they will give you a call either on your phone or computer, and after doing the interview, you are now welcome to join the Sellics family of affiliates. So what we first have to do is register. All you have to do is just click the Apply Now button right here and just fill up this form. You just need to put in your first name, your last name, company name, phone number, email address, your address, the country that you live in, and your social media URL. For the company name, you just need to put in your full name since it's a personal use, and in your social media URL, you just need to put your Facebook account URL. This is what we will be using to share your affiliate link to people. After you fill up the form, you can now submit your form and just wait for Sellics to contact you so you can become an affiliate of this website. Now that you are an affiliate of Sellics, you can have your very own affiliate link that you can use to share and earn money. We're going to show you the super simple trick that you can easily do to earn money when sharing your affiliate link. To start off, first we go to this website. This website is called bitly.com. Bitly is a URL shortening website where we can shorten very long links into shorter and presentable ones. What we're going to do here is shorten our affiliate link so it will look cleaner and more presentable. This will help us in making more people visit our affiliate link, and it will make people not doubt of our affiliate link in some kind of scam. Now all we need to do is copy and paste the affiliate link to this bar and click on shorten. After doing that, you can now see the shortened link below. Just click on copy and now we can share it to other people. The next website that we will be using is Facebook. We all know Facebook and we assume that you already have an account on Facebook. If you don't have one, creating one is super simple and you can do it in an instant. If you look at your Facebook account, there is a search bar at the upper left. Just click on this to search. What we will be searching is the keyword Amazon seller. Just type this on the search bar and hit enter. Once you do that, on the left side, you can filter it into groups. Now you can see all the groups of Amazon sellers here on Facebook. These groups consist of people who are using Amazon to sell their products. Now these groups are the best way to share your affiliate links. Since Sellics cater to improve Amazon businesses, people in these groups will be interested. All you have to do now is join as many groups as you can. Some groups will be public and some groups will be private. If the group is private, they will make you answer a series of questions before you can join, or you have to wait for an admin of the group to approve your join requests. Once you join 3 to 5 groups, now you can share your affiliate link. One tip that we can give you is do not just post your affiliate link without any context. You have to attract people to visit your link. One way you can do that is by giving a brief explanation of Sellics products and then put your affiliate link at the end of the post. And that way, people will know what the product is all about before clicking your link. So here's an example. We just created a short template, and at the end of the template, we put our affiliate link. You can just post this video to copy this template and use this to post on other groups. Once a person clicks your link, they will be redirected to this page and they will be able to request a demo of the product to better understand how the product works. And when they try it and they like it and they buy the product, then you earn money. That is a very simple way on how you can earn at least $600 a day just by sharing some links. So what are you waiting for? Start today and earn lots of money. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.